Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on English. Today we are going to study singular plural. So before coming to singular plural, I explain you naming words, that is nouns. What are nouns? Naming words are nouns. Nouns are also called naming words. So name of a person, place, animal or thing. So when we are talking about the naming words, about a one naming word, either it is a name of a person or place or animal or thing. So if I take one thing, bag, I am talking about a name of a, that is one thing, that is bag. Only I am talking about one bag. So when we are talking about a single person or a single place or an animal or a thing which is in single, so it is a singular. What it is? It is a singular noun. So when I am talking about more than one person or more than one place or more than one animal or more than one thing, so what it becomes? It becomes a plural noun. Now I have said bag. Bag is one bag. So it is a singular noun. So when I am talking about bags, more than one. Bag is one, singular. Bags is more than one. That is bags I am talking, more than one. It becomes plural. So today in our topic, we are going to study singular plural. So I'll take some words. Frog is an animal. Ball. Now coming to friend is a person. So these are some words for which we have to change them. These are all singular. Frog is one frog, ball is one, friend is one, apple is one, lock is one. So in order to make into plural, to change the singular into plural, probably we have to add either s. For some words we are adding s to change it into plural, to make it plural. For some words, that is for some nouns, we are adding es to make it into plural nouns. For some nouns, we are adding ies. And for some nouns, we are adding ves. So in today's class, we are going to study only these two. What are the words to which we have to add s and es? These all we will study in the later classes. And beside s, if we add s for some words, some nouns, it becomes plural. If we add es for some nouns, it becomes plural. If we add ies for some nouns, it becomes plural. Again, ves for some nouns. Suppose bag, I told you. Bag, if I take bag, we have to add only s. B-A-G-S. We are adding only bags. Yes, I'll tell you those words. Now coming to I-E-S. Now B-A-B-Y is my word. B-A-B-Y is my word. Singular. Baby is one. Now if I want to change it into plural, B-A-B-I-E-S. What I am adding? I am adding E-I-E-S to make it into plural. For V-S. Now my word is L-E-A-S, leaf. Now I want to change it into plural. So L-E-A. In place of F, I am writing V-E-S. Here in place of Y, I am removing Y and changing it into I-E-S to make it a plural. Here I am changing F, removing F and adding V-E-S to make it a plural. Here. So we are going to study these two very rarely in higher classes, that is in third, fourth classes. So in today's classes, we are going to study what are the words to which we have to add s, es, we are going to study. So beside s, es, ies, ves, we are having some irregular plurals. Now for example, tooth. Tooth is one. If I want to make it into plural, I will write T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Foot. Foot is one. If I make it into plural, it becomes feet. These are called irregular pronouns. tooth, teeth, foot, feet, man. M-A-N, man changes to M-E-N, men. C-H-I-L-D, child. Child is one. If I want to make it into C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. So these we call them as irregular plurals. For these plurals, we are not adding either S, ES, IES, VES. So they are called as irregular plurals. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet, man, men, woman, women, child, children. So in today's class, we are going to study only S and ES. Just I gave you few example of IES, VES and irregular pronoun. Just you have to remember it. So these are the words to which we are adding. We have to add S to make it into plural. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. What we have to add only? S. It becomes plural. This is singular, plural. Ball. Write the whole spelling of this and you have to add only S. Balls. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. S. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. S. Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. S. So these are few words for which we are adding S to make it a plural. Now, some words which ends with CH, words that ends with, listen, CH, SH, SS, S, OX, here O and here X. So now we are going to check these words for which we have to add words that ends with CH, SS, SH, SS, only S, O and X. For these words we have to add ES. What we have to add? Words that ends with these words. We have to add ES to make it into plural. For these words we have added only S. For these words we are adding ES. Now take one word which is ending with CH. L-U-B-E-N-C-H. So my word is ending with CH. See, it is ending with CH. So to make it into plural, what we have to do? B-E-N-C-H. What we have to add? E-S. What we added? We added E-S to make it into plural. Now take one word with S-H. D-I-S-H. Dish. So, the word ending with S-H. So to make it into plural, what we added? D-I-S-H. What we have to add? E-S. What we are adding? E-S. So words which are ending with C-H, S-H, S-S. Now class. Class. The word are ending with S-S. So what we have to add? C-A-L-L, C-L-A-S-S, E-S. What we added? E-S. C-H, S-H, S-S. Now S. Now my word is bus. It is ending with S. So what we have to change? We have to add, sorry, not change, add. We have to add ES to make it plural. Words ending with CH, ES, SH, ES, SS, ES, S, ES. So words which are ending with these words. Now we will take one word with O. Mango. It is ending with O. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Mangoes. So if the word is ending with O2, we have to add ES. Now coming to ox. B-O-X, box. So what we have to do? B-O-X-E-S. Word which is ending with X, we have to add E-S. So you have to remember these things. If the word is ending with this, remember this word. C-H. If the word is ending with S-H. If the word is ending with double S. If the word is ending with singular. If the word is ending with O. Or if the word is ending with X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember these 6 words. So if the words are ending with these, what we have to do? For these words, we have to add es to make it into plural. If the word is ending with ch, sh, double s, single s, o or x, we have to add es to make it into plural. So if I give you few words, bench, you can write benches, dish, dishes, class, classes, glass, glasses, bus, mango, box, etc. Now how to frame a sentence? If I give a sentence in a form of a singular, now you have to change it into plural. Changing the sentence. It is a dog. This is my sentence. Change into plural. You have to change the sentence into plural. So when you are changing the whole sentence, don't see only dog. You have to change the whole sentence into plural. So it will change it into they. Is changes to are. We are making the changing the sentence into plural sentence. It is a dog. It is a dog. They are dogs. Is used for singular. Is a dog means one dog. Here we are talking about plural. So they are for, we cannot use there is dogs. Is used for singular. So when we are converting the sentence into plural, we will write it is for only one. So it changes to they, is changes to are, a dog changes to dogs. It is a dog. They are dogs. This is a pen. If I give you in this way. So you might have already studied in your PP1, PP2. Thus this changes to what is the plural form of this? These. The plural form of this is these. T-H-I-S. This. T-H-E-S is these. These. Again is I told you is changes to are. These are. A pen is one pen. These are pens. These are pens. In this way you have to change. If a sentence is given and they ask you change that sentence into plural. So not only that particular word, you have to change the whole sentence. See according to the sentence and change whatever you have to change it into plural. So hope you all have understood, children. Remember once again CH, SH, SS, double S, O and X, single S. These are the words for which we have to add ES to make it into plural. Now if you want to change the sentence into plural, I explained you. If I give you a few exercises on this or in this words, you have to attempt it. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you.